Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple, and I'm so glad to be back. It's taken me a while to get back onto my crafting, but I am documenting week 13 of my project life and my 2024 album. So I've already printed my pictures out and kind of sorted them where I wanted them to, and I am using Elle Studios March kit. They're getting ready to bundle our things tomorrow and send us our April's collection for, well, I'm subscribed to their monthly kit, and so I'm anxiously waiting for those cards and die cuts to come in. So anyway, moving on, this is documenting our spring break. I think that's why it's taken me a while to film this, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take you through my week. The first 4x6 picture is a picture of us celebrating Easter early with my mom, and because my parents are divorced, and I have something to, I have a celebration with my mom, and then I celebrate with my dad separate. If you have divorced parents, you know what that's like. So anyway, so we kind of celebrated Easter early. My mom, she made us some delicious burgers, avocado bacon with all the fixings. The kids got their Easter gifts. They got 2 cute, cool games. And yeah, we all got our Easter goodies, and that was fun. The next 3x4 picture below that is, I believe it was a Monday, because we celebrated Sunday with my mom. That Monday I went and took the kids shopping, and then we had dinner at In-N-Out, which my kids absolutely love. So that was for Monday. And then Tuesday, we went on a walk with my dad, and we took everybody with us. Even Milo joined us, and as you can see, there's a little picture there. It's a 3x4 card, and it has a tag for journaling, but instead of the journaling, I just went ahead and added Milo's picture, and he's so cute, and added this little label sticker that says "You make me smile," and I added a little puffy heart sticker as well. The next 3x4 picture over is a picture of my daughter's boyfriend Victor. They went to go play golf because Victor golfs, and they went to the golf course right there on Airways, and so that was the only picture she got of them together. So she was driving the cart, and so I told her, I don't care, just send it to me. I just want to document, you as well, your guys' little things. So that was, she said it was fun. And then the bottom there, I just added a little die cut that says spring is here. And these little not cardboard, chipboard chipboard stickers are from Cocoa Daisy spring kit from a couple years back. I decided that I would bring those out so I can use on this spread as well. The next, I'm on the right hand side, the 4x6 on top is a picture. On Thursday we decided to go to Victor's baseball game in Selma, and they were actually having like this tournament, and they won 6-2, so that was pretty fun. And then I added a journaling card, and that's like a family picture underneath that journaling card, where I journal a little bit about that. And then going towards the middle on the left is a picture. It's supposed to be my selfie because that was the only selfie that I remember to take that day on a Thursday, because I do the Are You Kristen's Thursday 3. Sorry, got a little brain fart there. And so that's like a picture of all of us, actually. It's our friends, Veronica and her kiddos, who's Veronica Creates here on YouTube and Instagram. We usually get together during the breaks here, and so they came over and we dyed eggs with the kiddos, and we played games, and then we went out to eat and had dinner at Chipotle's, and later that night we scrapbooked and did some projects and some planners and fun things in our book journals that I've been trying to finish here. So that was fun. That was Thursday. Friday, I can't remember what we did Friday, but I remember that Friday I had finished this book, and I have a separate book journal where I document all my reads, but I wanted just to add it in here. I finished on Friday The House of Eve, and that was a very good book. I believe it's historical fiction, but I really did enjoy it. I do recommend. It's really good. And then Saturday, my husband and I did a lot of, because Easter was Sunday, so that I'm going to document next week's spread. But that Saturday, we did a lot of, we bought a lot of plants and flowers. We were just fixing up the patio, and we happened to buy chickens. So my husband and I went to go to the flea market here in our town, and we just like to walk around and excuse me, buy some goodies and fruit cups and all kinds of good yummy food. And then on our way out, we saw someone selling eggs, and then when they moved, I saw that they had chickens. And so we asked them if they were selling them. They said yes. So my husband and I had built the chicken coop like at least 2 years ago, and every time that we would go to the Tractor and Supply Store to get chicks, they were always sold out. And so we never got a hold of anybody who was selling hens that already laid eggs. So we happened to buy 2 to start, and I went ahead and named them. So the white one is Camila, and the second one is the brown hen, and she's Dolores. So we have Dolores and Camila. Dolores lays brown eggs, and Camila lays white eggs. And so I'm super excited. Kids are super happy. They love going out every morning to check the nest to see if they have any eggs. So here I'm just taking out this, I believe it's Jen Hadfield. It was like a sticker pack, and I'm just taking out these alphas and just spelling out spring break. And I added this little gold banner, and I just put it at the top just to make the 3x4 card a little different. I do have these free for you to download in the description box. Just click on the link there and just print them out. I believe I have them up to week 19. I shall have to go back and update for the next couple weeks that are coming. So yeah, don't forget to download your free cards. So here I'm just using this journaling card that I bought separately from Elle Studios, and it's like just a week in review. I'm just jotting down the different things that we did throughout the week. We didn't go anywhere for spring break. We've been busy trying to fix up the backyard, the patio. It just looks really nice after adding some more greenery, plants and succulents and flowers. And then I'm really disappointed because every time that they want to come out to pour cement, because I'm still working on my crafty shed, it rains. And again, I looked this weekend, and it's supposed to be cloudy and might rain. So there goes another weekend. So it really sucks because it's really puts a damper on my building. But anyway, I should be posting a video soon on that. So anyway, here is my finished layout. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the description box below, and I'll get back to you. So hopefully you guys are subscribed, and if not, don't forget to subscribe so you can see when I post any future uploads. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!